Are you ready to be a truck driver but don't know how to get there? The first step is to earn your CDL. In this video, I'll outline each step of the process so you can get on the road and start your trucking career. My name is Zach. I'm a driver recruiter with ATS. I work with drivers every day to advance their career. To get your CDL, you'll need to be at least 18 years old, but you won't be able to cross state lines until you're 21. You'll also need your driver's license, as your driving record for the last 10 years will be reviewed. To apply for your CDL, you'll need your social security number, proof of identification, and your address. In addition, you'll need to prove that you're medically able to drive. For a Class A CDL, you'll need a DOT medical card, which you can get after undergoing a DOT physical. After providing the paperwork needed, you'll need to pass a knowledge exam. Once that's completed, you'll receive your commercial driver's license permit. You'll also need to complete your driver training with an FMCSA training program. You'll have to pass a general CDL knowledge test and a combination of vehicles written test. Depending on the company you choose to work for, you may also need to earn additional endorsements. As of recently, drivers who have just earned their CDL will have to go through entry-level driver training with a registered trainer before testing for your CDL. Many drivers elect to go to driving school sponsored by a trucking company. Depending on the company, you may have your trucking school fees paid for in exchange for a commitment to work for them. Here are the steps you'll likely go through when attending trucking school. First, apply to a program. You'll need to research the trucking school and companies in your area. Ideally, you'll want to find a company that is nearby and will cover some, if not all, of the tuition. Trucking school can typically cost around $4,000 to $9,000 depending on where you go. Once you find a company that meets your needs, speak with a recruiter and apply to their program. Once you're accepted into the program, you'll head off to trucking school. First week of trucking school will consist of classroom training where you learn all the laws and regulations of the road. The CLP test consists of between 100 and 150 questions. The test covers general knowledge and air brakes and combination vehicles. You must get at least 80% of the questions correct in order to pass. During this time, you'll also need to pass a pre-employment drug screening. If you test positive, you will not be able to continue your training. The second and third weeks of driver school consist of physically learning how to drive the truck. You'll learn about every part of the truck and what function it serves. It's important to understand these things in case your truck breaks down, and you'll also learn driving skills like backing maneuvers. Once you've gone through your training at trucking school, and it's been at least 14 days since you've earned your CLP, you can now test on your CDL. The skills test is 3 parts: the vehicle inspection test, the basic controls test, and the road test. Once you pass the CDL test, you'll need to find a training company to drive for unless you've already signed a contract for a trucking company. If you've signed a contract, you'll head to that company to undergo even more training. You'll drive with a trainer to truly learn the rules of the road before driving on your own. When you're working on getting your CDL, one of the best things you can do for yourself is find a trucking company that also trains their drivers. They'll help you get your CDL and the experience you need to drive with any company you'd like. Are you a new truck driver looking for the best company for you? Check out the list linked below that outlines the best trucking companies for new drivers. Thanks for watching another edition of Over the Road on the Truck Driving channel. We make videos like this every week. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you out on the road.